Assalamu alaikum. Greetings from Talent Upskill, Class 5 English version, Math, Decimal Fractions chapter, Exercise 7a. Exercise 7a. Question number 6, 7, 8. I tried to cover all three questions here just because they are pretty similar. You can apply the same method. That is why I tried to cover all these three problems here. Let us start with number 6. In a class of 75 students, teacher distributes 0.24 meters of tape to each student. How many meters of tape distributed? So when we solve this problem, we look at the question and try to identify the quantity which we'll have to find out. For example, here, how many meters? This is the quantity and this is the how many meters. So quantity will be with unit meters. So always we put this unit or the quantity on the right side and the other the number of students on the left. So how we arrange it? One student needs or gets whatever gets 0.24 meter. So we know we already did the unitary methods, similar method here. So now 75 students get how many? We will multiply by 75. 0.24 into 75, the unit is meter. Now we already did the multiplication of two quantities, one decimal fraction and the other integer, and that is 2-digit integer. We know how to do it. How? We just have to do vertical method. 24 multiply by 75. 5 into 4 is 20. 2 in hand. 5 into 2 is 10 plus 2 is 20. 10 plus 2 is 12. Now leave this or put a 0. 7 into 4, 28. 28 and 8 here, 2 in hand. 7 into 2, 14. 14 and 2, 16. Just add 0, 8 and 2, 10, 6, 1 and 1, 8, 1. 1800 equals to 1800. Now look at the decimal fraction. How many digits before decimal point? 2 digits. So put decimal point after 2 digits. After or before 2 digits. So 18.0 meter. Don't forget the unit. So the answer is, you can write 18 or 18.0. Either way is okay. 18 meter. Number 7. One basket fruit weighs 2.565 kilogram. What is the weight of 12 baskets? Just like unitary method, one basket, we put the quantity with, see the question, find the weight. Find the weight. Weight means kilogram. Find the weight. So weight. So the quantity with kilogram we put on the right. One basket weighs 2.565 kilogram. 12 baskets weighs 2.565 into 12. Kg is kilogram. Now when we multiply, we use the vertical method. So 2565 multiplied by 12. 5 into 2 is 10. 6 into 2 is 12. 12 and 1 is 13. 1 in hand. 5 into 2 is 10. 10 and 1 is 11. 11, 1 and 1 in hand. 4, 2 into 2 is 4. 4 and 1 is 5. Leave this spot or vacant or put a 0. 5 into 1, 5. 6 into 1, 6. 5 into 1, 5. 2 into 1, 2. 0, 8, 7. 5 and 5 is 10. 2 and 1 is 3. So 30780 equals to 30780. Now look at the decimal fraction and count how many digits before decimal point. Or see, 1, 2, 3. Decimal point was placed before 3 digits. So we place decimal point before 3 digits. Means 30.780 kilogram. The answer should be 30.78. This 0 has no value on the right side of decimal fraction. So we put 30.78 kilogram. Number 8. A packet contains 0.334 liters. How many liters? See again, we have to find the quantity that is with a unit is liter. How many liters? So we put this quantity on the right and the packet on the left. One packet contains 0.334 liters. So how many liters will be if we have 50 packets? So 50 packets contain 0.334 into 50 liters. We shouldn't forget the unit. So liters. Here you see it is when you see the quantity is 50 or 100 or there is a 0 on the right side, we can make it simple. How? We know 50 equals to 5 into 10. So instead of multiplying by 50, we can just multiply by one digit number 5 and then we put and add a 0 on the right. I show you. So we can write it 0.334 into 5 into 10 and then we multiply by 5. We don't need to do vertical method, we just do straight way. 5 into 4, 20. 4 into 5 is 20. 20. So 2 in hand. 3 into 5, 15. 15 and 2, 17. 17 and 1 in hand. 3 into 5, 15. 15 and 1, 16. 16. Now you see there is a 10. So put a 0 on the right. That is the result. But before you finish, you have to look at the decimal number and see how many digits. 1, 2, 3 digits before decimal. So we put decimal just before 3 digits here, 16.700. So what is the unit? Don't forget the unit later. So the answer is 16.7 liters. Thank you everyone. Allah Hafiz.